Stop buying instant soup without watching this first. I tried 5 popular chicken noodle soups to see which one actually tastes good and which one's just hype. Fast, filling, budget-friendly, or premium, this video breaks it all down in under few minutes. Let's go. Product number 1, Campbell's Condensed Chicken Noodle Soup. I've been enjoying this classic soup for years, and it's truly a pantry staple for quick comfort meals. What sets this apart is that it delivers the rich, familiar chicken broth and tender egg noodles that warm you up instantly on chilly days or when you're under the weather. This condensed version means you mix it with water and heat in minutes. I often add cracked black pepper and fresh herbs to enhance the flavor. Campbell's has been perfecting this recipe for a century, and you can taste the nostalgia with every spoonful. It's incredibly versatile. Pair it with crackers or a sandwich for lunch, or use it as a base for a heartier homemade soup. Compared to more instant-styled noodles, the broth is deeper and more satisfying, making it worth the typical low price on Amazon. In my use, the biggest benefit is its consistent, hearty taste and wholesome feel, unlike some instant soups that feel thin. The downside is you need to dilute it and heat properly, and it's not as portable as cup soups. Still, for the price and quality, it's a go-to choice when you want a comforting bowl that feels like homemade. Product number 2, Maruchan Instant Lunch Chicken Flavor. This one is all about quick convenience. It's my grab-and-go choice when I need a hot meal in 3 minutes. Just add boiling water and wait. The cup design makes it great for lunch at work, after school, or even for a simple snack on the go. The chicken broth flavor is simple and savory, with just enough seasoning and dehydrated vegetables to make it satisfying. While it doesn't compare to homemade or even canned soups in depth of flavor, its ease of preparation is unbeatable. For pros, this soup is super fast and cheap, especially if you buy the multi-pack. I often stock up because it rarely goes bad and solves the hunger gap instantly. On the downside, the broth can taste a bit artificial or salty, and the noodles are thinner and softer than what you get in a traditional chicken noodle soup. Yet, if budget and speed are your priority, this is a smart pick. Product number 3, Lipton Instant Soup Mix Noodle Soup. The Lipton Instant Soup Mix hits a sweet spot between convenience and flavor. Made with real chicken broth and packaged as dry mix, this soup has a lighter broth than canned versions, but still feels comforting and wholesome. You add water, heat, and in about 5 minutes, have a bowl that's soothing and tasty, especially when you add fresh veggies or leftover chicken. From my experience, the biggest advantage is how customizable and healthy it feels. Since it's a dry mix, you can control the ingredients and bolster it with fresh add-ins. The broth has a nice chicken note that's more refined than cup noodles, and it's also lower in calories. A minor con is that the noodles can be less substantial than canned soups, and I find myself adding toppings to make it more filling. But the price and flavor balance make this an excellent option for light meals or snacks. Product number 4, Pho-licious Instant Beef Pho. This is a different take compared to classic chicken noodle soups. Pho-licious brings Vietnamese pho into the instant world. The rice noodles and aromatic broth mix give a depth of flavor that reminds me of pho from a casual kitchen. It's not restaurant level, but it's impressive for an instant soup kit and feels more grown-up than typical instant noodles. Many users complement the broth with fresh basil, jalapenos, or lime to elevate the taste, and I've done this too with great results. The pros here include authentic style flavor and hearty broth that feels richer and more nuanced than basic instant soups. The rice noodles are lighter and more pleasant in texture. The main downside is that it's usually more expensive per bowl than standard instant soups, and some customers feel it's overpriced for what you get. Still, if you're craving pho but don't have time to make it from scratch, this is a very satisfying alternative. Product number 5, Campbell's Chunky Pub-Style Chicken Soup. Lastly, this chunky version is a heartier twist on classic chicken soup. It's labeled pub style and packed with bigger chunks of chicken, veggies, and noodles. When I tried it, the first thing I noticed was how filling and robust it is, almost like a meal rather than a snack. The broth was savory and comforting, and the larger portion size meant I didn't need anything on the side. While it's a bit pricier than condensed soups or instant noodles, the satisfaction per serving is higher. One con I found is that the heftier style isn't for everyone. If you just want a light soup, this might feel too heavy. However, for a lunch or cozy dinner, it's fantastic. Compared to classic condensed soups, this gives you the full meal feel without cooking up extra sides. So for the price, it's a great trade-off.